Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I did happen to get to a different Dollar Tree this time around and I was pleasantly surprised. I actually went in there just to pick up some cards and I did leave with them, but I also left with all of this. So as usual, here is the overview of all the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so starting off the haul, these are the cards that I actually went to the Dollar Tree for. And while I was there, I got a little hungry, so I picked up some planters, cocktail peanuts, and some goldfish megabytes. And these seemed interesting. They were megabytes cheddar jalapeno, and they were a larger size than, or maybe no, they are the same size as the other goldfish that I've seen in there before, but the goldfish are bigger. So they are 167 grams worth of bake snack crackers. So yeah, these were really good. I really like them. I also did pick up some of the In-Wash Fragrance Booster, and it is in the spring scent. I picked up some command hooks, and I actually picked up this one that I didn't even realize I picked up, but I don't mind because I will actually use them, and I do like that they are completely clear. So this one here, it will hold 0.5 pounds. You get 2 small clear hooks. So yeah, I'm actually kind of glad I picked that one up. I picked up 3 of these. I thought I had 4. I'm gonna have to double check. But I do like these ones as well. And again, they hold 0.5 pounds. And then I have a couple of these ones, which hold 2 pounds. Actually, I picked up 4 of these as well, but I've already used 2 in my trailer. So now let me go through the cards. I picked up 4, and they, as I said, or did I say it? I can't remember. They are Hallmark, so really nice cards. This one here, I just love the colors, the bouquet of flowers, really pretty. It says, saying thank you doesn't seem like enough to show how much your caring and thoughtfulness have meant. And then on the inside, but though the words are simple, hope you know how much warmth and appreciation come with them. So that was the first card. Then I picked up this pink envelope and really pretty colored card. Bless you for the little things you do in thoughtful ways. Bless you for the way you've brightened up so many days. Bless you for the giving heart as kind as it can be. Bless you in 1,000 ways for truly blessing me. And then on the inside, it says thank you. And then in the corner, it says God's best to you, Christ's blessings on you. Philemon 1:3, the message. This one here has a taupe envelope. Hearts touched by the Lord's kindness. At the bottom it says, we have shared together the blessings of God. Philippians 1:7. Can't help but be grateful. Thank you so much. And the last card that I picked up with the yellow envelope. I love the colors of this one as well. It has like a gold finish to it as well. Bless your heart for all the ways you find to be so nice. Bless your hands for giving help without even thinking twice. Bless your thoughts for knowing just the perfect thing to do. You are a gift of love and faith. I'm truly blessed by you. So really nice cards when you want to show your appreciation and your thanks. Next, I came across these decor pieces. This one I really like, and I like the mother of pearl holographic, if that's what it's called, look around the frame. And then on the inside it says, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So I picked up 2 of these to add to a gift. I really like these picture frames. They have a little stand, and then this one here says family is forever. And I just really like this white plate that goes around it. It's just really pretty, something different. And then I picked up this one that says there's no place like home. And then I went over in the crafting section and came across these stencils. And I was hoping the Dollar Tree would come out with stencils like these, and they did. And I was really excited. So these are by Crafter Square. They are the flexible stencil. So this one says Farm Fresh, established 1905. And these are the ones after you add your paint and make your stencil or use your stencil, you just clean it with water. So they wash up really nice to reuse them over and over. This one says Our Story, Farmhouse, the Best Things. So I guess they're like 3 different ones. So I really like that. It's Good to Be Home. And then there's also Wash and Dry. And then I absolutely love this one. Farmers Market, Local, Fresh. So this was definitely a score for me because I love stenciling, and these ones are all fantastic. The next items I found over in the baby aisle, and I'm always excited to look in the baby section because I use a lot of the items for my reborn dolls, which I am getting my painting area ready so that I can start painting them, and I absolutely can't wait until I can get started. But I came across these new bibs, and they are by Angel of Mine, and they are so adorable. I love the prints and the colors as well. There is a Velcro little piece in the back. So this one has lions and giraffes, elephants, and zebras. And again, I just love the colors. This one has the elephants, zebras, rabbits, koala bears, and the sloth. And it says, "Oh baby," all in pink. And I love each and every one of them. They're so cute. This one has the letter blocks, and again, some more elephants, a rubber ducky, little birdie. Just love those colors. And then the last one that I picked up has letters and numbers, and it is a dinosaur theme. So dinosaurs, lizards, frogs. Absolutely adorable. I picked up this decor piece. There were 2, I believe, but I just went with this one as I love the rainbow and the colors of the sign. and I just loved it. So I picked it up, and it says "You are loved," and then it has the jute twine so that you can hang it. These were really neat as well. Now, if you want to DIY this, definitely you can make it whatever you want. It is rectangular shape, so it's larger than the square ones, just a different shape. But it says, "About me, I am blank years old. When I grow up, I want to be a blank. My best friends are my birthday, my hobbies are my favorite food, my favorite color, my favorite book, my favorite song." And it's in this faux wood frame. And it has the hardware in the back so you can hang it up. And then these I just absolutely love. And I will be adding this to my painting area, as when I place my dolls, I kind of want to give it a nursery feel. I'm not going to go crazy with it though, because the painting area will also double as a guest house. So I didn't want to do too much, but I thought these are great because I can place them on the wall, and then I can always remove them if we have guests, and then just add something else. But I absolutely love these. I wish they also had them in blue, but the ones that I saw were pink and white. So I think I got 2 of these. Hello, little one. This one was so cute with the larger elephant and the smaller one. Mama and baby, and the little one says hi. And the third one, just as cute, with the moon and a little heart hanging from the top, the clouds, and it says "Twinkle, twinkle." So I'm planning on putting the 3 side by side, and they are in a white frame. I just thought they were so pretty. And yeah, I did end up getting another one of the Hello